and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our car game. In this video, instead of having our car just go over the boost and have something printed on the console, we're going to make it actually be faster. So let's open up our script. So as you see here, when we passed in something that's in tag of boost, it would print that you're fast. Man, come on. So now I need you to think what you should do to our move speed so that it will be faster. So I will not delete this, it's also cool, it's also printed to console. I would like to, so basically all you have to do is write move speed equals boost speed, semicolon, save it up, come over here to Unity. Now let's open up our car. So as you see, still it's our move speed is 20, but when we pass, oh, it's 30. Look, let's go. Let's have some drift around. Oh, I'm green. Okay, let's deliver a package. I think it's too fast. Too fast, man. Come on. I could deliver a package. Where should I deliver it? Let me find the package. We can also play around it, but so the main thing, now when we stop it, so as you see the move speed turned back to 20. So okay guys, this was all for this lecture of how to boost our car. See you in the next video. Bye bye.